In this video we are going to talk about 7 things dermatologists never ever do to their skin. Although no one has perfect skin, dermatologists often come close. They not only have comprehensive and in-depth knowledge of skin health, but they also know what works. That goes for their own skincare routines, as well, and there are a few things dermatologists would never do. Take notes from them, then observe as your own complexion improves over time. You always want to know a beauty specialist's own beauty secrets. What they do for their skin, which skin mask is ideal, and how they keep their own skin shining and healthy. Number 7. They don't pick at their skin in any way. Picking pimples and blackheads, as tempting as it may be to liberate the crud that's clogging up your pores, will only make matters worse. According to board-certified dermatologist Anna Guanch, MD, of Calabasas, California, if the pimple pops under the skin and forces inflammatory material deep into the pore, this could lead to a monstrous eruption and an even bigger pimple or scar. Picking, according to Marissa Garshik, MD, a board-certified dermatologist in New York City, is unlikely to give you the outcomes you want in the first place. The types of pimples that individuals feel compelled to burst often don't have much substance to push out, so it just contributes to further inflammation and scarring, she explains. Number 6. They never leave the house without some sort of sun protection. One of the most important things you can do for your skin is to use sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from the sun's damaging ultraviolet, UV, rays, which cause sunburn, skin cancer, and premature skin aging, such as wrinkles and age spots, when applied correctly. Apply a broad-spectrum, water-resistant sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to all skin not covered by clothing for the best protection, and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating for the best results. Think again if you thought sunscreen was solely for the beach. UV rays from the sun cause skin cancer and are also responsible for 90% of our skin aging, including brown spots, irregular texture, wrinkling, and sagging, explains Ariel Kavar, MD, a board-certified dermatologist in New York City. It's a good idea to use sunscreen to protect your skin from those problems. It's critical to use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen to keep your skin safe. I recommend La Roche-Posay UV Tolerant Double Repair Moisturizer for those who want to keep their daily routine simple, Dr. Garshik explains. If you're sweating, swimming, or otherwise active, reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Number 5. They don't apply sunscreen to their skin immediately. While it may appear like sunscreen sprays are intended to be sprayed on for application, the truth is that this can be dangerous. Dr. Kavar continues, sprays tend to land on everything around you, but not necessarily where they should, on your skin. Spray sunscreens are fantastic for quickly covering vast areas of skin, but they are best applied to your skin by spraying the product into your hands and then applying it to your skin with your hands, she explains. Number 4. They never, ever tan. Sun-kissed legs may appear to be healthy, but they aren't. UV radiation alters your skin for the rest of your life. Lily Talakoob, a dermatologist in McLean, Virginia, says that tanning causes your collagen and elastin to break down. Skin thinning, increased pore size, deep wrinkles, drooping skin, and even skin cancer are all results of this. Use a self-tanner instead if you're fair and need to get tanned. And if you have dark skin, keep in mind that, while higher levels of melanin provide some protection from UV rays, no skin color will entirely protect you from skin cancer. Number 3. They don't wash their faces aggressively. One of the most crucial parts in any skincare program is cleansing, but it must be done with caution. Dr. Talakoob adds that overwashing the skin with foamy, stripping cleansers leads the skin to become irritated and sensitive over time. The skin requires its natural oils and a healthy bacterial environment. She claims that overly forceful scrubbing drains skin of its natural oils, resulting in a level of dryness that no moisturizer can completely supply. To avoid this unpleasant predicament, Talakoob suggests cleansing with an oil-based cleanser, such as DHC Deep Cleansing Oil, and then moisturizing. Number 2. They don't go to bed with their makeup on. Makeup that is left on your skin permeates deep into your pores, causing inflammation and irritation, explains Dr. Guanch. Blemishes, puffiness, skin irritation, and, eventually, additional wrinkles, especially around the eyes, could result. While it is crucial to remove your makeup, it is also necessary to do so with caution. Dr. Guanch highlights the importance of not rubbing your skin harshly. Over time, this can cause skin laxity and additional fine lines and wrinkles, she continues. Number 1. They don't exfoliate excessively. It's vital to buff away dead skin cells, but using too many scrubs and acids isn't a smart idea. Gentle exfoliation removes the skin's dead cell layer to expose smoother, brighter skin. Dr. Kavar continues. While you can exfoliate several times each week, it's critical to use the appropriate products. Despite their skin smoothing claims, Dr. Garshik advises against using scrubs. Many people believe that exfoliating their skin will leave it smooth and bright, but scrubs can sometimes do more harm than good, she explains. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.